Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to design a wall calendar on the Canva application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the print section. And in the stationery section you can find the wall calendar option. Here you have more chance. If you want to add pictures, just go to the uploads button, and here you can upload images and other files to the Canva, or go to the gallery section, and here you can find images and more from your device. In the element section you can search different graphic elements, for example stickers, tables, frames and more. If you go to the design section you can find the different styles and templates which were created by professional graphic designer. Just select one and you can edit this template. If you want to change a picture of the template, just go to the gallery or the uploads button, select a picture and just drag to the selected frame. For example, the background. If you want to move an item on your project, just click that and you can move. If you want to change the text, just click that and write your text. You can edit this text. If you want to change the style, just click to the arrow next to the text style name, and here you can choose different text styles and font type, and just select one. If you want to change the size of your text, just click to the plus or the minus icon and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.